Hey everybody, welcome to Life at Sunny Lea. And I did a video last week, but I just was not up to par enough to even go through the editing or the publishing of it. So you're going to get it and this past week's in one video. So, stay tuned. Hey everybody, welcome to Life at Sunny Lea. And last week went so stinking fast it wasn't even funny. We had our middle son here all week. He worked remotely, so he was working during the day, and he was home, home at evening with us. And Sunday, we didn't get to go to church on Easter, and this is, gosh, I can't remember when the last time we missed Easter Sunday. But I got sick Easter morning, and my husband decided I needed to go back to bed. So I went back to bed and slept until almost noon. And didn't do much that afternoon because I just wasn't up to it. Did fold a lot of clothes, went through some drawers and cleaned those out. Got the wrong sizes and got rid of those and just kept the right sizes of the clothes. And then Monday I went and got my hair done. Tuesday we went up to Indianapolis to help get Chris settled in. And Wednesday we had a nice day. It was nice and pretty. I was feeling a little bit better. So I put the cats out in the catico and I cleaned cages. And I deep cleaned them, took them out, scrubbed them down, scrubbed all their food and water dishes. And that took most of the day because I've got like 6 cages I have to clean. And so I got that done. And then, alright, here's the kitty cats. Ugh. Okay, Trouble and Fluffy, who keeps following me around. Monkey Blue and Prince. Going straight for the cardboard like normal. Now that one's joining in. Trouble is hunting for food. That's all he cares about. Dexter. So gentle that he wants to help me undo the cage every day. That's Dex. Always runs to the carpet to play in the carpet. Sharpen his little claws and then off he's running. Monkey Blue trying to climb up my leg. Like normal. He wants to be held. Prince wants to just play on the thing. And evidently they drunk all their water up and he's thirsty. Yep, all their water is gone. So I'll take care of these guys and then we'll be back with the rest. Okay, there's Mitzi, and there's Peaches, and there's Hercules, who doesn't do much except eat, walk around, and eat. He's old, but he's a sweetheart. And the rest of these guys are at the door trying to get out because they think they can go out to the catico. Unfortunately, they can't go today. Okay, the last two, Butterscotch and Little Gray. They have to be left out separately because Little Gray does not like anybody else except for me. She loves me. So does Butterscotch. They will be close by my feet the whole time I'm doing this. So that's the best you're going to get of them. Little Gray's going out a little bit farther usually than normal. Put Butterscotch right between my legs. That done. And then Thursday he was having trouble with his phone, so we had to go in and have it taken care of. Friday we were back up at Indianapolis with Chris. Now, I don't know about your kids, but my kids, when they left home, they took the bare minimum and they left everything else here. And when they moved from place to place, they would either sell everything and start all over, or they would mail stuff home and then have us take it back up to them when they moved into their new places. So we've been taking clothes and stuff that he's mailed home. We've been taking those up to him. So it's been 2 trips to Indy and a couple of shopping trips and a bunch of unpacking this whole week. Plus, our oldest son came down on Saturday. We got to spend some time with him. So it's been a very busy week and not getting much really done. So I decided on Saturday that I needed to take a break and just kind of relax and smell the roses. I've been so involved in everything else and getting the house clean, getting things ready, getting the boys situated, that I really haven't taken time to just look at the beauty around us. And everything's popping up beautifully. The irises are blooming. The lilacs have just about bloomed out. And the daffodils have bloomed out, but the narcissus are blooming. And we got baby birds in the back hatching out, watching the mother go back and forth. That must wear her out. She has 3 little babies, I think. I've seen 2 of them with their noses out of the nest, but I think there's a 3rd one there. And it takes her 5 minutes from the time she leaves the nest to go to wherever she goes to get the food and back again to feed them. And they're constantly hungry. So she's busy all the time. So it's just kind of just saying, take time to look around and enjoy the season. Because before much longer, spring's going to be gone and it's going to be a hot summer. And I need to get out there and get the greenhouse taken care of. And hopefully we will. I do take the plants out and have them hardening off. I've got some in the grow room yet that I need to harden off. But there's a lot of stuff that needs to be done yet. So it's a short little video, because I'm really still not feeling up to par. And hopefully this next week I'll start feeling better and get some other stuff done. Alright, this week has been something else also. We didn't go to church on Sunday because Doug was leaving to go back to Ohio and Sean was home and we were just visiting with him. And he went back about 7 o'clock. Both of them went back to their own houses by that evening. And Monday I slept a lot. He went to the gym, but I stayed home and fell asleep. I was going to work on the house and clean it a little bit, but I just fell asleep until he got back home. And didn't do much else. I think we went to town. I was kind of in that, feeling better, but I was spaced out. My ears were hurting, not hurting, but popping all the time. And things just weren't quite up to par yet. Tuesday we went and got some stuff done in town. He had some things to do, so I just rode around with him. Was reading my book. I hadn't gotten this book a couple years ago, really, and just never picked it up to read it. So I thought I was going to just read it. So I read that. It's Wednesday, didn't do much. Took care of the animals and stuff, and we went to see Chris. So that took most of the time. Had a nice visit with him. And then on Thursday, we went shopping again. We had to get some stuff for the house. And I had to put it together, so we've got that taken care of. It was something I've been wanting for a long time, and it was a necessity that I had to have. And then on Friday we went to Indianapolis to his class reunion. Well, it's not a class reunion, it's a school reunion. They have anybody that's been out of school for over 50 years. It's invited to come to this luncheon. And they give out scholarships to high school students. And it's a nice time to get together. And that took most of the day. So we got that done. And he went to the gym. He's gone to the gym 3 times this week, but I just wasn't up to it. I went with him on Wednesday, but actually I stayed in the car and read my book because it was a nice sunny day and I just needed the sunshine. So I just kind of relaxed while he worked out. And Friday I just stayed home and got some work done around the house that had to be done. Took care of the animals. Still have not gotten the garden planted. It's on my list, top of my list to do. But it's either pouring down rain, or it's really muddy, or it's we've got something to do. So it's been kind of hard getting the garden in this year. And when I did get in, a lot of it didn't come up. But I do have some carrots that are ready to be harvested. And I got turnips, and I got some beets that are ready to be harvested. But and some lettuce. But the peas, I planted them twice, and they still haven't done any good. So I'm giving up on peas, I think, this year. Wait until this fall and try again. For some reason, I just do not have much luck with peas. As you can tell, I still have a cough. But I am feeling much better. And hopefully next week I can get to the gym again. I hope I can get garden plant. If gardens plant, it needs to be planted before anything. And let's see, Saturday it rained most of the day. So I spent the day putting one of the new shelves together after I cleaned the spot for it. So I got one of the shelves done. Now I'm going to clean this area here and put another identical shelf here. And that should be able to put some of those totes over there onto this shelf. And I've actually got things labeled as to what's in them. And remember, stop and smell the roses. It is beautiful. I mean, it's springtime. Everything's coming alive, although my peach tree's not. My one beautiful peach tree, I think, is dead. It has not bloomed out yet. And my other peach tree is half dead, so I don't know what happened to it. So I may have to buy peach trees, but not this year. I'll wait until next year. Find out what's going on with these first. So remember, like, share, subscribe. And remember to hit that bell icon so you know where I'm on next. And dream big, follow that dream, and God bless everybody. Bye.